Yeah, this is just a lazy day hanging out in Mexico City. It's a Sunday. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon. As you see in the background back there, that's the Revolution Museum. I'll make sure I put the correct name on there. I'm probably jacking it up. My apology. But I'll make sure I put the correct name down there. But I'm headed just kind of chilling, going on this beautiful street. Let me show you what I'm looking at here. Again, I love palm trees, so can't get enough of palm trees. So we're gonna just head down there. Yeah, sure. I guess this is still considered the Reforma area, so it's the theater just gotta close, so we're just kind of hanging out. Nice little street here. As you know, it's almost 2 o'clock. Oh, actually, yeah, almost about another 30 minutes. The bike ride is still on. I think it go from 8 to 2 or 9 to 2. I can't remember the time, but definitely ends at 2 o'clock. So, but it's still going on right now. So I want to just kind of make sure I share with you. We're going to find out what's in the center. As you know, there's plenty of circles in the city, and at just about all the circles, there's some type of monument in the center. So I'll make sure that we kind of cover that. Sonora Grill. If you want to get your steak on, there you go. I don't know what the price is. I don't eat steak, so don't know, but I just know that's a popular place to get your steak on. So cross this right here. Caballito, wait a minute, I'm messing up. Torre Caballito, Reforma 10. I'm not sure that that's a hotel or what, so we won't focus on that right now. Again, as you can see, there's a bike ride still going on. Not sure how to. I think I'm supposed to cross here. I think we'll find out in just a second here. I got my navigation on. Oh, there's a car. There's always vendors everywhere, no matter where you go in the city, especially around the Reforma and areas leading out to the Zocalo. So just once you get your look around, it's a beautiful area, walkable, open streets. Got to watch your step because, oh my gosh, there's nothing straight about a lot of these roads. So got to really watch your step. Do a little pass by. Very open park. The name of this Almeda Central, I think. Let's see here. It's a beautiful park. It's a nice place to hang out. Well, really any day of the week, but definitely on a nice Sunday. This dog it's a dog to the right here trying to, wow, that dog is really, get up there and get that squirrel. Look at that. He's trying to get up there. Look at that dog. Wow. That's a squirrel up there and he's trying to get up there. Wow, okay. There's plenty of little monuments out here. There's some over there. There's some right here. Again, water fountains. Beautiful. Let's walk through this whole park here. I mean, not the whole park. Let's walk straight through the middle. There's something over there, but it seems to be covered up. You know what I mean? I guess they're working on it. Some restoration, I guess, going on. So we're not going to go over there. But again, we're just kind of just taking in the scene. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful park. Everyone is out having a good time. It's still warm out here, just so you know. It's just not as warm as it was yesterday. Yesterday was nice and toasty 80, you know what I mean? By Mexico City standards. So wow, it's like water fountain everywhere you go. Just gonna not put too many because there's a bunch of kids, so I'm kind of not show too many kids on here. So I'm gonna just kind of pause off and pick up on the other side. Plenty of water fountains for the kids to play. Look, there's something over there. Yeah, over there, I'm sorry. One's over there to play. Then it's here. Again, just plenty of places to just enjoy a nice Sunday afternoon. It's beautiful out here, look. Wow. Let me pause, kind of bridge. Again, there's another park ahead. Water fountain ahead. You should be here. I mean, this city is just gorgeous. The weather, you can just, I mean, it's plenty of room. It's a lot of people, but it's not crowded. And I'm thinking it's probably like a normal crowd. There's a mass of people over there. I want to see what's going on over there, but I don't know if that's some type of, let me go over there and see if it's worth going checking out, because I don't know. Sometimes people gather as a group, it may be something more than just something fun, you know. So let's go over there and see what's going on. Let's check it out.
Y si no, todos empiezan a gritar a una sola voz hablando. ¡Sí se puede! ¡Sí se puede! ¡Vamos! ¡Así mero!
Not bad at all. All right, let's see again. Fun day at the park.
¿Qué les damos? ¿Qué les preparamos?
Okay, what's the name of this building right here? Let's take a look at this beautiful building right here. I think I can get a, yes, Alicio de Bellas Artes. Okay. It's a beautiful building. Wow. I guess it's a museum. Okay. Oh, they got a quinceañera going on out on the take a look at this building. Look at it, just beautiful. Bookstore down there, different books. Look at that. Okay. The culture is definitely evident everywhere. Just, you know, I know this sounds muffled, so I'm trying to I only talk when I can, able to without people around, so I can remove the mask. Beautiful. Okay. Let's see if we can whip around this way. Stay into the historical portion of the city, of the area.
Nosotros vamos a ir de aquí para allá y ya no vamos a regresar.
Navy down here. Okay. Just came out of that little area right there. Actually, my camera died on me. My other camera died on me. So I guess that's kind of like the mall area. That's where you find Zara, H&M, some of the stores in that area. Adidas, you know, all the type stores. So that must be kind of the mall that leads right into the square here. The flag is actually a half staff today. I'm not sure what's going on, but it's a half stack today. It was actually blowing pretty nicely for a minute. You can see it on top of the kind of the Congress buildings over there. I'll make sure I put the proper name down below. So there's a few more people out here, but I guess again it's not a lot going on out on the plaza itself. But if you look here, tons of people in there, you know what I mean? So I guess that's the shopping area, the main one. So yeah, so that's pretty much it today. Again, this is another daily vlog in the city of Mexico City. You know what I mean? I just kind of want to just share. I mean, you can just walk and just see stuff, and I just love that. You know what I mean about this city? No, every day is different. You know what I mean? When you go in city and just seem like a lot of energy and a lot of just people enjoying the beauty of the weather. It's partly cloudy today, but again, it's still pretty warm. Yeah, let me just do another quick zoom, and I'm probably going to end this video right about now. So again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for the next video. I try to put out one every other day, I think, at least for now, you know, every other day. So we'll see. Anyway, thank you for watching.